Here comes Daisy and Mickey Mouse. Everybody, look at this brand new Mickey and the Roadster Racers playset. It's Mickey's garage, and you get to put together Mickey's car in the new garage. And here's some of the other vehicles. Goofy and Donald. And this is such a cool playset. I'm excited to get it out and show it to you. And it's got a little lift so you can lift the car up. And look at this. It's got a slide so the cars can slide down the ramp. And there is Mickey Mouse. A little chair and a place for them to eat lunch. And this is going to be a lot of fun to check out. Here is the Mickey Mouse and his really cool hot rod car, number 28. He loves racing with his best friends. And speaking of friends, today we're going to unbox Goofy's Turbo Tubster. Look at that. Goofy's race car is a bathtub and shower. And we also have Daisy and her Snapdragon race car. We've got this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one coming in the mail. So hopefully we'll do a video of those soon and get them unboxed. But let's go ahead and get started unboxing this cool toy. Oh, here's some of the pieces. What else do we have in here? That looks really cool. Looks like the front of a car. And this looks like the base. This is going to be a really big play set, it looks like. Look how big that is. Here is Mickey Mouse, and he bends like this so that he can sit in his vehicle, and his arms move up and down so he can work on his car. He's got a little wrench in his hand. He looks like he's a really good mechanic. And let's put him in his vehicle. Here you go, Mickey Mouse. That is really neat. Oh, his engine comes off. And his pipes. So you get to put his car together. Let's see if anything else comes off. Oh, the spoiler comes off. Look at that. It turns into his regular car. Oh, that's so much fun. We got to put together his garage so he can make it back into a race car. All right, let's get started building. All right, it's all put together. Look how cool this is. This is the front of the garage. And this is one of the levels. Up here's a level. And then you have the bottom floor. We've got a little gas pump here. But the really cool part is the slide. Look! Pop it back up. And then 1, 2, 3. Comes back down. Can't wait to try Mickey's race car on the new ramp. And then we can turn it around like this. And look at the back. Here's a little place for them to eat. And we have to put the little table in here. And a little chair. There we go. So now they can eat at the garage. And here's the top level. The middle level. And there's a place to work on the cars. And we have an elevator that will take us from the first floor to the top floor. There we go. All the way to the top. Now it's time to go back down. Mickey's eating lunch when his good friend Goofy pulls up. And Goofy is in his race car. Get Goofy out of here. Go. Now Goofy wants to race Mickey. Hey buddy, it's time to race. You need to get your race car out. So, here's Mickey's car, but uh-oh, it's not a race car. It's his regular Roadster. So, it's time to take this thing up to the workshop. Come on, Mickey, you have to come up here. You've got some work to do. So, we're gonna put Mickey right here. There we go. Now it's time to go up. Up we go. And we can turn it like this so we can see the front or the side. Then we're gonna pull the car over here to get worked on. First step is to turn this regular Roadster into a Roadster race car. So we're gonna pull it out like this, and now it's long and it's ready for its new engine. Mickey's pretty excited. We've got his brand new engine, and we're gonna turn it around just like this. It's starting to look like a Roadster racer. He's almost ready to race Goofy. Now he needs his exhaust pipes. Here we go. One on this side, but we need to do the other side. So let's pull him back over here and turn him around. Go. And pull him back right here. And we're ready to put this side on. There we go. Now what is he missing? I've got my engine, I've got my exhaust pipes. What else do I need? He needs his spoiler. Here we go. Now it's a Roadster racer. Way to go, Mickey. That is an awesome car. Let's get that thing up top and ready to race. Vroom, vroom. Here we go. Now we're going to the top. There we go. And it's time to bring down the slide. Woohoo! Here goes Mickey. Uh-oh, he got stuck. Push a little bit harder. Woo! Mickey wants to race again. I can do that even better this time. But uh-oh, he lost his engine. Pull him back down. Come on, Mickey, you need some repairs. We'll put your engine back on. There we go. And you need some gas. So let's fill you up with gas. Some good Mickey Mouse gas. All right, we gave him some gas. And it's time to go back down the slide. Here he goes. Can you do it even better this time, Mickey Mouse? All right, we're gonna put it up one more time. And, woo! Let's try it this way. Mickey, you're not gonna go down with the slide up, are you? Just watch and see. Woo! What an awesome job by Mickey. Hey, it's my turn to race. All right, Goofy, here you go. Woohoo! Here's Daisy Snapdragon. She's ready to race with the boys. On your mark, get set, go! Woohoo! Oh, Mickey went down without a car. His car is coming to get him. Mickey and the Roadster racers. Goofy. And Daisy. Ah, the gas pump went down. And the desk. On your mark, get set, go! Now we're gonna turn his car back into a regular Roadster car. Let's see if it goes down the hill. One, two, three. It did it great. Here comes Daisy. And Mickey Mouse. is a really cool toy and I was excited to share it with you. If you have any questions, place them in the comments and subscribe to my channel for lots more toys. Thanks, guys.